Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix your account cannot be created at this time on Apple. First of all, you have to check your internet connection if it's working or not. If your internet is working, and you have to make sure that you're updated to the latest iOS 18 version or whatever the version is right now. If your problem is still not fixed, then you have to check if you're connected to the VPN or not. If you're connected to the VPN, it may be a reason that's why you're getting this error. So you have to make sure you have to disconnect to a VPN if you're connected to. But if that's not the case, then you can go to transfer or reset to your iPhone option and erase all content and remove and factory reset your iPhone to the default settings. It may help you to solve the issue, but you have to make sure and you must know that this option will delete all of your content on your iPhone, whether it's your gallery or whatever. So make sure to back up your iPhone into iCloud before doing this. But if your problem is still not solved, then you have to go to the website called account.apple.com. On this page, you have to select Create Your Apple Account on the top. Then all you have to do is sign up your new Apple account on this website. And I hope this option or doing this will solve your problem. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.